Hi, this is John from AVXer, based here in the UK, and I've been asked by Cheesy Cam, which is quite an honour, to do an unboxing of this DSLR rig. It's a magic rig, so let's see how we get on. Let's see what's in the box. Yeah. Nothing else there. Oh, some instructions. Instructions there. Of a quick little nose. On instructions of different rigs they do, including this one. This is a version 1, which is 80% aluminium alloy, 10% plastic and 2% stainless steel. Construction hard anodized. Put that aside and have a little look. So there we go. Here's the rig. Feels nice and sturdy. Thumb screws here. Just wondering what's metal and what's plastic. Yeah, it's yeah, all seams metal, stainless steel or alloy. So I'm guessing these thumb screws here will be stainless, and 15mm blocks should be alloy, and possibly the handle just a plastic part. Let's have a little nose. Well, you can see that there. Oh, there we go. So let's have a little look at the configurations and feel what these are like. So let's see. How sort of feels quite robust. Handle is there, so pop the handle off. Handle there, looks like 15mm, so I'm guessing you couldn't use a longer handle. On the back bit here, movable, looks like just a bit of foam there, probably not the best. There's a lot of squeeze there from being in the box, but definitely do the job. I'll just try and set it up here. Move the table out the way I'd possibly set it up for myself. I'm actually using my DSLR here, so obviously you can't pop around. Possibly from my configuration here would be about there. You can see that there. Yeah. There we go. And I'll just take you to the top bit here. So let's see. So it looks like a quick release at the top, yeah, and looks like it's like you press start, so it stays on safe. You pop this onto your DSLR or camera and slide it on. I think personally, what I would do, because I have a Manfrotto rig, I would tend to myself is use one of these little babies, which would possibly pop one of them quick releases onto the top. This quick release will be on my camera, I'll do it that way, and then I'll put the camera right onto my tripod. That's my personal view, what I would do. But if you haven't got one, you can simply just use that there. So there we go, unboxing of the magic rig. I believe the manufacturer was what's told myself. They're actually bringing out a new version. I don't know whether it'll be improved in any sort of way. To be fair, you know, does the job. I don't know what price the new one will be, but we have possibly another 5 left of these, and I'm not sure. I'm trying to get more stock. There we go. Unboxing Magic Rig.